the place value family. This week, we learned about this awesome family. Does anybody know the name of this family? They're called the place value family. Let's review and see if we can remember what each one of their names are and how old they are. This is the youngest member of the family. Do you remember what her name is? Her name is 1. Do you know how old she is? She's 1 year old because she has 1 block. Here's the big brother of the family. When we have 2 digits, we have the baby, or the 1, and the big brother. Do you remember his name? His name is Tens. Do you remember why? Because he has 10 blocks, or we say he's 10 years old. Then we have the mom of the family. There she is. That's when we have 3 digits, because we would have the baby, the brother, and the mom. That's 3 digits, 3 numbers. Do you remember what her name is? Her name is Hundreds. And how old is she, or how many blocks does she have? She has 100. And finally, we've got the big daddy over here. He's 3D. All his blocks stack on each other. His name is Thousands. And he has 1,000 blocks. So let's remember the order that they come in and see the monster. We have 1s, 10s, 100s, 1000s. Say it with me. 1s, 10s, 100s, 1000s. Let's do some practice. I would like everybody to get either a whiteboard and a dry erase marker, or you can get a piece of paper. Go ahead and pause this video so you can get your supplies. Okay, now that everyone has their supplies, we are going to start by writing some numbers. Let's start with the number. Whoa, that's way too big. Let's make that a little bit smaller. Let's start with the number 23. And you can write that nice and big on your paper. We always, when we have these different digits, I like to chop them up. So we only have 2 digits, so I'm going to chop them up. And this really just means I'm separating them into their different bedrooms. So you can put a box around this one if you want. This is the first bedroom. Here's the next bedroom. So now here's my question for you, friends. The 3 is in which bedroom? Well, it's the first member of the family coming out here. Remember, the monster is over here. Ooh, that's scary. So the 3 is way over here. So the 3 is going to be in which place? Is he a big brother? Is he a baby? He is a baby because he's the furthest away from the monster. So this 3 is in the 1's place. So if you said that he was in the 1's place, then you can give yourself a pat on the back. Nice job. Okay, let's talk about the 2 over here. The 2 is in front of the 3. So the 2 is protecting that baby. Which member of the family was that was protecting the baby right in front of it? Oh, I know. Do you know? That was the big brother. Remember, the big brother came along and was protecting the baby, and we call him Tens. This is the Tens place. All right, go ahead and erase your board, or if you have a piece of paper, then you can just move to somewhere else on your paper. Let's try another number. Let's say I have the number 46. So go go ahead and write the number 46 on your board or your paper. And then remember, Miss Grakowski always likes to chop these numbers up so that I can think of which bedroom each one of these numbers is in. So if I chop that up, sometimes you can put a box around it. Sometimes when you get better and better, we just put a line to chop it. So if the monster is over here, that's a funny monster, then which bedroom or which place are each one of these numbers in? Well, let's start with the 4. If I'm trying to ask you which place is the 4 in, is the 4 a baby or is the 4 a big brother? I know. Well, I remember that the big brother protects the baby from the monster. So this right here must be the big brother protecting the 6. So if I say which place is the 4 in? The 4 equals, is it 10s or 1s? The 4 equals oops, that's not right. I almost wrote the 1s place. Hopefully you didn't do that. The 4 is in the 10s place. Did you know that the 4 was in the 10s place? That means that we have 4 10s or 4 big brothers. And do you remember Big Brother's nickname? His nickname is 10 Stick. So that would be 4 10 sticks. Nice job, friends. Thank you so much for doing that lesson with me today. We'll do another one tomorrow. Have fun.